Hi everyone, this is just a quick update video. I just wanted to say Happy New Year and a massive thanks for all of the support that you've given me throughout 2019. It's been a really interesting year and I've been able to meet so many cool and interesting people thanks to all of you who have been downloading all the resources, commenting and liking all the videos, so thank you so much for that. I've got lots of new stuff coming for you in 2020, including art breakdowns, tools, scripting videos, educational resource videos, as well as a few extra surprises provided everything goes according to plan. Here are a few things I've been working on in the meantime. I'll probably be sharing these as some kind of resource, so hopefully you find these interesting. And if you haven't already seen, Sculpt January is about to start. They've got a new Twitter page set up, and if you follow that, then it'll be easy to track all the prompts for the month. If you don't know what Sculpt January is, it's a challenge that's intended to help you hone your sculpting skills. So if you've never done sculpting before, or if you think your skills are a bit weak in the field of sculpting, then this is definitely something you should take part in because it's helped me massively over the last few years. I'm going to try doing as much as I can, and then if I get some interesting results, then I might do some compilation videos, but we'll see how it goes. So other than all that, I hope you've been doing really well, and I can't wait to share all the new things with you next year. So if you don't want to miss out on new videos, make sure you've got the notifications enabled. So stay tuned, have a great new year, and I'll see you next time. Come in. I'm just recording at the moment, but I won't be long, so thank you. I'll be down in a sec.